Today we will consider few numericals related to mirror formula. What is mirror formula? The formula that is giving relation between distance of object, image distance and focal length of mirror is mirror formula. This is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u, where u is representing object distance, v image distance and f is focal length. For magnification produced by mirror, we have m is equal to h dash upon h, that is equal to minus v upon u, where h dash is size of image, h size of object, again v image distance and u object distance. Using these two formulas, 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u, or m is equal to h dash upon h is equal to minus v upon u, we will do few numericals. First question is, an object 4 cm in size is placed 25 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to get a sharp image? Find the nature and size of image. First we will see what is given and what is asked. 4 cm is the size of object. It means h is given to us. H is equal to 4 cm. It is placed 25 cm in front of a concave mirror. Mirror given to us is concave. And object is kept 25 cm in front of mirror. So this is u, concave mirror, and this is object distance u. So u will be minus 25 cm. Focal length of concave mirror is 15 cm. Focal length of concave mirror we will write with the negative sign. So f is equal to minus 15 cm. What is asked from us? Image distance, that is v, and height of the image and nature. If you will have an idea with the help of diagram, then this is concave mirror. Focal length is 15 cm. Object is kept at a distance of 25 cm. It means position of your object is between f and c. F is 15, so C will be 30. Object is at a distance of 25 cm from the mirror. It means object is somewhere between F and C. And if you will recall ray diagram, then if the object is between F and C, then image formation will be beyond C, it will be real, it will be inverted and it will be magnified. It means the nature of the image will come out to be real inverted. Size of image will be greater than size of object. This should be our answer. And idea about the distance of image or where you will keep the screen, this should be beyond C. It means your answer in magnitude should come out to be greater than 30 cm. 15 is this. C distance will be double of focal length. So 15 and 15, this is 30. Image will be forming beyond C. It means the value of V should be greater than 30 cm. Let us see whether the same answer we are able to get or not. Using mirror formula. What is mirror formula? 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. For concave mirror, focal length will come with a negative sign because focal length you will measure as distance from pole to focus. So to measure focal length you are moving in this direction. And from object the incident ray is going in this direction. So this direction and this direction both are going to be opposite. In this direction distance will be positive and in this direction measurement will be with negative sign. So focal length of concave mirror will come out to be with negative sign. So we have written 1 upon minus 15 is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon minus 25. When you will shift this minus 25, 1 upon minus 25 this side, it will come with positive sign. So we are left with 1 upon minus 15 plus 1 upon 25 is equal to 1 upon v. LCM of this will be 75. So here it will come minus 5 plus 3. is equal to 1 upon V. So minus 2 upon 75 is equal to 1 upon V. V will be minus 75 upon 2, that is minus 37.5 centimeter. It means your image formation will be somewhere here. Now next we will find what is magnification. Magnification will be h dash upon h. This is equal to minus V upon U. You can put value of h, v and u, and then you can find value of h dash, or first you can find m and then you can find h dash. If you will first find m, then m is equal to minus v upon u. Value of v will be minus 75 upon 2. U value will be minus 25. When you will solve it, then you will get minus 1.5. So m is coming with negative sign. Negative sign shows that image is going to be real and inverted, and this value is going to be greater than 1. It means the size of image will be more than the size of object. If I will use relation m is equal to h dash upon h, put value of m minus 1.5, h dash will come out to be minus 6 centimeter. So your answer will be screen should be kept at a distance of minus 37.5 centimeter in front of mirror. Nature will be real, inverted and enlarged, and size is coming out to be minus 6 centimeter. Let us do one or two questions more related to concave mirror and convex mirror. Next question is, an object is kept in front of a concave mirror. Focal length is given to be 15 centimeter. The image formed is given 3 times the size of object. Calculate the two possible distances of the object from the mirror. What is given to us? Mirror given is concave mirror. If concave mirror is given, then it should automatically come in our mind that focal length of concave mirror will be with negative sign. So focal length is given minus 15 centimeter. The image formed is 3 times the size of object. It means this is magnification given. Now magnification is given 3, but it is not given clearly whether this 3 is with positive sign or this 3 is with negative sign. Whether the image is going to be virtual or image is going to be real. Because 3 times magnification in case of concave mirror is possible for both the cases, in case of real image formation also and in case of virtual image formation also. So here we have to consider 2 cases. First we are going to consider when the image formed is real. So using ray diagram, the magnified image formation takes place when you are going to keep your object between F and C. Then image will be real, it will be inverted, it will be magnified. So for real image formation, this m will come with minus sign. So when the image is real, m will be minus 3. That will be equal to h dash upon h. That is again equal to minus v upon u. From here, minus 3 will be equal to minus v upon u. So relation between v and u will be v is equal to 3u. And we will use mirror formula, 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. In this case, v is not given, f is given and u is asked. So we will replace v in terms of u, so that we are left with one known quantity and only one unknown quantity. So put value of v as 3u in this and solve. So 1 upon minus 15 will be 1 upon 3u plus 1 upon u. LCM 3u. So 1 plus 3, that is 4 upon 3u. So minus 1 upon 15 is 4 upon 3u. When you will solve it, u is minus 20 centimeter. Minus 20 centimeter means your object is kept between F and C. F is given 15, this gap is given 15, and till C it will be 30. So it is in accordance with ray diagram that when the object will be between F and C, image will be magnified and it is going to be real and inverted. Let us consider second case, when the image is virtual. Then ray diagram tells that image, if it is virtual, then object should be between P and F. it means our answer should be with a negative sign, but its magnitude should be less than 15 centimeter. Let us solve this numerical. For virtual image, m will come with positive sign. M is equal to 3. That is h dash upon h is equal to minus v upon u. 3 will be equal to minus v upon u. So v is coming minus 3u. Use mirror formula. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Put value of v. So 1 upon f is equal to minus 1 upon 3u plus 1 upon u. When you will solve it, take LCM of these two. It will be 3u. This side minus 1 plus 3, that will be equal to 2 upon 3u. So minus 1 upon 15 will be equal to 2 upon 3u. Minus 3u will be equal to 30. U will come out to be minus 10 centimeter. So here object distance is going to be less than focal length of concave mirror. So if question comes like this, then you have to solve this question by considering two cases. First case real image, second case virtual image. Let us try one question with convex mirror. An object is placed at a distance of 15 cm from a convex mirror and image is formed at a distance of 5 cm from the mirror. Find radius of curvature of mirror. It means we have to find value of r. Mirror given to us is convex mirror. So if mirror is convex, focal length of mirror will be with positive sign. Object distance will be with negative sign. Image distance will be with positive sign. Because in case of convex mirror, object is kept here, image formation is always towards other side. Image formation is virtual, erect, it is smaller in size, and value of v is positive for convex mirror. So this is given to us u. So u will come out with minus 15 centimeter. V, I will not write with v negative sign because this much distance is v and it is in the direction of incident ray of light. So this v will be positive. So v will be 5 centimeter. We have to find value of f and radius of curvature. Because radius of curvature, in order to find radius of curvature, I will use relation r is equal to 2f. So in order to find r, first we should know what is value of f. Again using mirror formula, 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Put the value here. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 15. LCM 15. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 upon 15. So f is coming out to be 7.5 centimeter. R is twice of f. So it is coming out to be 15 centimeter.